Hi guys, so today I wanted to do a quick little video on how I install a wig from start to finish. So what you're gonna need for this install is you've got this Got To Be glued spray. This you can buy Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens, any of those places carries this. It's about $9. The other thing you're going to want is this one is the generic version of the Got To Be glued. And this is like a gel, but this is CVS's generic version, and this is probably about like $5. You're going to want to have a wig cap or a wig grip. I'm going to be using a wig grip in this video, or you can use a wig cap. Either one is fine. Wig cap, you would just want to pick a cap based on the color. Usually I go with the color of the root of the wig, so I'm going to be doing a dark wig, so I would use a darker cap, but any of these are fine. This is just going to hide your natural hair underneath the wig. I'm going to be using a wig grip. It's kind of my go-to thing in the summer, especially now that my hair is short and I don't need the wig cap as much to tuck up my bio hair since my hair is short. So I really like to use these in the summer. I will make sure I link a description to this. I got this off Amazon for like $9. The only thing I will say is if you are installing a wig and you tend to have a wig cap and your wig cap tends to slide a lot, something I do recommend is, I'll show you real quick, is when you take your wig cap, if you're using a wig cap instead of the wig grip, when you take your wig cap and you put it, oh my God, and you put it on your head, and you get it a little bit above your hairline here, you can take this Got To Be glued spray and spray this right along the edge of the wig cap, and it'll help keep the wig cap attached to your head and keep it from sliding. I know I have like a weirdly shaped head and my wig caps tend to start to slide back. I don't have that problem with the wig grip, but like I said, if you have that problem with a wig cap, you can take that Got To Be glued spray and spray it down. Just let it dry for about 5 minutes before you finish going through your install. So if you put that on, like if you're gonna do your makeup and you put that wig cap on, spray it down, and then continue to do your makeup, by the time you're done with your makeup, that wig cap will be like stuck on your head and it won't move. So I have my wig grip on. I am now going to take this Got To Be glued, well, this is Blade brand, this is CVS's generic brand of the spiking gel. Start with pea size shape amount here. And I'm gonna do dots right below where my wig grip is. All right, and you can choose to come down all the way here. If you want to have it glued all the way down to your side burns, you can. I don't tend to like to do that. I just usually like to secure the lace up here that you see so it's lying flat and it's not lifting and doesn't look as wig-like. And you're just gonna take these and connect your dots and just kind of blend it in here. And then you're gonna let that dry for a minute and then go over it one more time with another layer. I also like to have a little bit extra right here. This tends to be the place where it lifts the most on me. And it's also like, I feel like the place that people go to look, like if your part doesn't look real or semi-natural, I feel like that really is a dead giveaway for a wig. So once I have that on, I'm gonna let it dry for a couple minutes. Then I'm gonna take my wig here. The first thing you wanna do is always make sure you adjust your straps in the back to where you want them to be. And then you also, a lot of times, I really like wigs that have this little clip in the back that helps hold it onto the back of your head so it's not lifting up. A lot of times too, which I'll do a separate video for you guys on how I do this, but some that don't come with the clip in the back, most wigs when you order them have this little clip right here in the top part of your head. Especially if you're wearing wig caps, you would never use that clip, and it also can tend to give you a little bit of a bump on the top of your head. I usually cut that out, and if this doesn't have a little clip in the back, I install it back there. It's super easy to do, and I can do a little video on how I do that so you guys can see, because I really think that clip in the back is super, super important for getting your wig on and getting it to stay on. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. The biggest thing when you're installing these too, once you have the glue on, is you kind of want to set this back a little bit further than your natural hairline. So what I do is I kind of fold it in like this, and I put it on my head. I get it secure back here. I clip that clip into the back underneath my wig grip, and then see how it's kind of like back a little bit further, and then I can take it and pull it to where my glue is. And then you're literally just gonna take your fingers, I got all these little baby hairs here, sorry. You're gonna take your fingers and you're going to press it down And you're gonna make sure you got it lined up where you want it and press it down. Line it up where you want it and press it down. Just kind of calm her down a little bit because she looks a little crazy. And then I just take a little bit of this, and I just always take this and kind of spray it right here in that same area that I tend to have a lot of lifting. And I'm just gonna spray that down right here. And you can take that and kind of spray anywhere else that you feel like it lifts up a lot. Again, like I said, like I don't usually put down this, but you can. If you had glue right here, you would obviously just stick and press down too. And then the last thing that you want to do is you want to take any type of, you can use a headscarf, you can use a tight bandana, you can use anything that you have that you want it to be a little bit on the tighter side. And you're going to take that and you're going to lay it right over where you just put your part down. And you want to leave that on for 10-15 minutes while you go about doing whatever it is that you're going to finish doing. Drink a cup of coffee, finish your makeup, put your lipstick on, get dressed, whatever you're going to do. And then in about 15 minutes, you're going to take it off, and it really just helps hold it and set it onto your forehead while it dries. This is not like a normal wig adhesive, so this will just come off with warm water and soap, and it kind of tends to naturally just kind of degrade over the day. So by the end of the day, it's gonna be really easy for you to take it off. If you're using an actual wig bonding agent, you're gonna need some type of remover, rubbing alcohol, and it's gonna be a little bit harder to get off of your scalp. This is really not for like prolonged use, prolonged wear. This is like to wear out to work or go out or whatever. You're not gonna be wearing your wig for multiple days using this stuff. So yeah, so this is pretty much what you would do. And then we're gonna wait the 10-15 minutes, and then we will come back and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I've left this for 15 minutes and I'm just coming back. I'm gonna pull this off for you guys. And as you can see, if I lift up here, you don't want to pull too hard, obviously, like it will pull up, but if you take your hair, I'm pulling up here and you can see it's really stuck on there. It's not going anywhere. Again, like I said, I didn't glue this area down, but the whole area that I glued down, it just looks nice. It's a lot more blended. And then you can always take a little bit of whatever contour or bronzer you have, and one of your bronzing contouring brushes. And I'm just gonna take this and just kind of contour over just the top part of my forehead here, just to kind of blend that lace and my forehead in with each other. And that just helps just make it look a little bit more natural. So I'm just gonna go in very lightly with some concealer. So that's it. I'm just gonna brush her out. This is a great brush, by the way, if you guys are looking for a good brush for like your synthetic wigs that doesn't pull the ends, because as you wear, especially synthetics, this brush is made for wigs. It's really awesome. I get it off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below for you guys. It comes with this and another little small brush. I don't know where it is. But this brush is awesome. It's only like $6 and it really helps brush your wig out without really pulling on it. So that is it. Comment below if you have any questions or need any help with that. I love talking wigs and I will do my best to answer you and try to help you out as much as I can. I am all for it. Just let me know in the comments below, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and like this video, and don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you get notifications for any videos I do in the future. And thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you guys kind of get an idea of how to put your wig on and go about your day. So thanks for watching, guys, and I appreciate it, and have a great day. Bye.